Hello, this is my digital story of media research. My media research has experienced 3 stages: decide the content, decide the research methods and the research approach, the plan of the dissertation. In the first stage, it is not easy to determine a suitable research content. So consider I decide to choose the topic related to the children's literature. I remember a psychologist said people's effort through their lifetime is formed in the integration of childhood character. It is obvious that how important influence of people's life is the contact literature when they in childhood age. And the reason I choose this topic is, in my childhood age, I loved the fairy tales very much. But there is not enough only love and passion. It is also needs to academic thinking and methods. So I will combine children's literature and the media. A few years ago, I have read a book. It is Neil Postman's The Disappearance of Childhood. The main point of this book is because the development of media, children has a tendency to adult, and childhood will be disappearing. So I have some question. How to solve or to change this situation? Is that psychological projection for adults in the media image of children, and how to shape children's image in the media? Along this thinking, I want to put the children's literature under the perspective of film studies and determine the topic, the symbolic meaning of princess in Disney princess film. At first, I plan to combine the quantitative and qualitative research method. In the next stage, I focus on reading and analyze the theory which using the research project of semiotics, archetype, feminism, and using the Disney film phrase as an example. Then, using the methodology is analyze the precise symbol meaning of phrases in the context of semiotics and feminizist. But at this stage, I have some confusion. Firstly, I did not clearly the meaning of the methodology. Secondly, that the most confused, I began to doubt myself. What's the value of this research in this approach? Which approach should I choose? This debate is getting inspired from a film called Room. I think what kind of fairy tales are children really need, and which is more conducive to construct children's values, realism or fantastic. Therefore, in the dissertation stage, I will continue to think about this question. For my dissertation, firstly, I plan to analyze the history of princess image from paper medium, a fairy tale, to visual media, the film and animation. Secondly, Disney princess image in common. In this part, I will from the perspective of narrative and meaning construction. Thirdly, the change and development of Disney princess image, particularly the transition of the feminized standpoint. In this part, I will try to find and solve my own confusion. What kind of fairy tales children really need?